In this video, I'll show the Photoshop script Images Report. The script scans a folder and produces a report of details for each image. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. To run the script, open the Actions panel. I already have an action to run the script. For help adding scripts to Photoshop, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the Actions list, select Images Report. Click the Actions panel Play button. The interface has three sections: Images folder, Include, and Output. In the first section, click the Folder button and navigate to the folder of images. I'll choose a folder of JPEGs, which will make a simple report to start. Click OK to select the folder once in it. The path to the folder appears beside the button. Enable the checkbox Include Subfolders to search the selected folder and every folder below it. The next section is what to include in the report. Each option enabled adds a column to the report. Uncheck any to omit a column for that detail. Most choices are obvious, but I'll explain a few. Base name is the file name, but the extension removed. Extension is the file extension. This is useful to sort the results by file type. The options for pixels, color, and profile should be obvious. Layers, groups, and masks are a count of how many the image has. For masks, there is a count of raster and of vector. Paths and alpha channels are also a count of them. Clipping path, if one is set, is the name of the path set to the clipping path. Background layer is whether the bottom layer is set to background. If so, the column lists yes. Spot channels report the channel names. Keywords are from the image metadata. For this demonstration, I'll leave all options enabled. The next section is Output. There are four choices of file format. CSV outputs the report as comma-separated values. This is the best option for opening the report in a spreadsheet program. TXT outputs as tab-delimited text. Most spreadsheet programs understand this format, but not by default. Unless tab-delimited format is required, CSV is a better choice. JSON outputs as JavaScript object notation. And XML outputs as extensible markup language. JSON and XML are useful to interact with programs that understand the formats. When the Images folder is selected, the output file location and name are set. The default location is the parent folder. Click the button File to choose another location or change the file name. The path and name of the report file appears beside the button. Once all options are set, click OK. The script searches the selected folder for image files. For any found, each is opened and examined. The process can take a while, depending on the number of images in the folder. Once complete, the user is notified. To see the results, click the button Open Report. I have CSV set to open in Excel. I'll auto-fit the column width so we can see everything. These images are all one background layer, nothing extra. But one thing I notice is the odd profile. Later I'll run these images through Batch Multisave to convert the profile. That's another useful script. See the link in the description. I'll go back to Photoshop and run the script again. This time on a folder of images that are more interesting. This report has a lot more than the last. There are images with layers, groups, masks, and more. Those columns list how many each image has. Some images have a clipping path set, and others have spot colors. Most images, but not all, have the bottom layer set to background, and two of the images have keywords. Having the report in spreadsheet format makes it easy to sort images by columns. For example, the number of layers. Or if the images have a background layer. Or by extension to sort by file type. You get the idea. Here's the result in JSON and XML. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.